Hello, so I decided to try Hive Community, which is a subscription 3D printing website where you can pay for a subscription. They have different types, and you get access to different types of prints or 3D printing files. I took it out for a year, and so far this is some of the stuff that I actually printed with them. These are really nice. The eyes, I just actually bought some of these and I super glued them on. It just it brings the figures to life. But for the price you pay, I was actually really surprised. I'm really happy with it as well. And you do get a commercial license, so if you want to sell them, you can do that too. I'll leave the link in the video description if you do want to try them out. They have a £10 trial, so you can try it for a month, but they have some really nice files in there and stuff that really prints really well. And these are movable, the heads are movable on them, and I think these are probably better than the articulated dragons that everybody seems to be printing. These are really cool, and you can enlarge them. I've scaled them down very slightly. They take these about just under 3 hours to print, and that's just printing on a quiet mode on my Cubee. They tend to give you a much quality print rather than printing them out too quick. But yeah, I'm really happy with the subscription so far. They do add more every month. And obviously if you pay more, you're going to get more models, but it's definitely worth it. I was really surprised, and I'm going to keep the subscription up and enjoy it, and enjoy printing out the files that actually work. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already.